Hi, my name is Mary. And today I will talk a little about Wow Hair Care before you decide if you should buy this product. I also have some very important warnings to help you, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you because it may be late. The first thing you should know about Wow Hair Care is that it is sold only on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else, so be very careful and make sure you buy the original products, because unfortunately many people are selling this product on unofficial websites like eBay, Amazon, Walmart among others. Buying off the official website, you get a product that does not work and can harm your health. Be very careful with this. These products make it seem that the original Wow Hair Care does not work when it actually works very well. And to help you, I left the link of the official website below, in the description of the video. Be sure to check when you finish watching the video. So you must be wondering what Wow Hair Care does, and if it really works, and the answer is yes. Personal Wow Hair Care works. Wow Hair Care is a shampoo and conditioner kit that repairs, restores and rejuvenates the strands, a dynamic solution to revitalize the hair and detoxify the scalp, leaving your hair softer, stronger and free of flakes. Can be used on all hair types, dyed, gray, without changing the color. The difference between Wow Hair Care and the other products on the market are its 100% natural and organic ingredients, free of parabens and sulfates, as well as its own packaging that maintains the active ingredients. It breaks the accumulation of products, deeply cleanses clogged hair follicles, balances pH levels, helps strengthen and increases shine. Great for fighting flakes, acne on the scalp, detoxify and reset the health of your hair. This is possible due to its composition. Apple cider vinegar, anti-dandruff, balances pH and detoxifies the scalp. Argan and almond oil, moisturizes and strengthens hair. Palmetto leaf extract and nettle, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. Coconut oil, blocks the loss of proteins and is anti-frizz. Avocado oil, protects against external damage, moisturizing, strengthening the strands. Keep in mind that this product is totally safe to use and is processed under sterile and accurate standards. Wow Hair Care has been tested and approved by thousands of people from all over the world, and no one has complained about side effects. So yes guys, you can definitely use this product. There are many people out there having great results with Wow Hair Care, and you can also get those results. However, you need to know that each body will react in a way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Also, there is something really important and interesting that you need to know before buying it. You can test Wow Hair Care for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, you will get your money back. But for Wow Hair Care to work, you need to use it correctly, as recommended on the website and on the packaging. Another important thing for you to know is that Wow Hair Care has absolutely no side effects, as its ingredients are 100% natural. And most importantly, you don't have to worry, because it is FDA approved and manufactured in a GMP certified facility. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website from which you will buy Wow Hair Care, and also if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously so that it really works. Remember that your results will be very different from another person because your body works in a very unique way, but I really recommend that you do the treatment for at least 3 months for best results. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions you can leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy Wow Hair Care with a special discount, as I said, I will be leaving the link from the official website below in the video description. Good luck in the treatment, hope you have a great day, bye.